What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. I know it's been a blue moon since the last time I've uploaded on here, but I'm back, and I've got a very good reason. Now, for those of you that don't know, I actually got rear-ended, and that kind of fucked up my trunk. It got messed up a little bit, but... Shit, wait, rewind that, hold up. Did y'all see that too? Damn straight. Finally bought coilovers as well. I'm really stoked. These are Raceland coilovers. They're mid. I've heard mid things about them, but I got the Raceland Ultimos. They were the middle option. But mad stoked to put these on. I'm not gonna be doing no like tutorial how to put coilovers on. You can look, there's plenty of videos on that. I'll show you putting mine on though. Holy shit, these are sick. I'm gonna chuck the front wheels before I get the car. Well, it's fucking midnight now, and my white shirt is all dirty. If I told you guys I have one coilover in, my homie came over and we were just like messing with the coils, and we kind of started realizing that these coils, these are maxed out right now. This is the lowest I can go. I've got about 5 millimeters of preload, and I mean, like, this is really as low as I can go, and that's what it looks like with it on the car. It does not look low at all. I'm confused if, you know, like I did something wrong. I'm gonna try and do the other side, see how it looks. Might be returning these things? I don't know. Alright guys, it is now the next day. I officially have the back coilovers on the car. This is obviously not how the fitment looks, you know, because the car is jacked up right now, but they don't feel terrible. I don't know, it still really doesn't look as low as I intendedly set it. I mean, it's pretty low. I took it on a test drive last night whenever I got done, and I was like scraping all the way up my driveway. Kind of disappointed in the height of the rear coilovers, but I'm gonna put the front ones on, see how they look.
No, it's fucked up to say. From the head down to the face, from the lips down to the taste. How your mind sitting on your head, how the sun beam on your face. How you smell, match how you look. It ain't shit.
Oh, whoops.
I change. You remind me of a Reese cup. When I see you, wanna eat you up. Look good on the outside, taste better when I'm eating them. Chocolate match with your complexion. It look good with your necklace. Getting butter for the seats. Of your brand new Lexus. You remind me of some money. You remind me of these honeys. Don't need this shit.
Alright, fronts are out. This looks fucking wonky as hell. Look at this. Holy shit.
I love the feeling when I touch it. You remind me of my AMG. Big body, GLE. Good space and it got speed. This the only whip I ever need. You can live your life without me. Know you smart and you seen it all. I don't know if I can ever see another life where you not involved.
Holy smokes. Guys, just threw the wheel on. That was damn near... That was better than the fitment before on the ground, so the front's definitely gonna be fucking tugged. Oh, like, dude. I can't wait to drop. I'm gonna put the lugs on and I'm gonna drop it.
I gave you space, now you hard to reach. Tell me how you really feel to me. You remind me of my bankroll.
Guys, well, the coilovers are all officially on. I just gotta drop the car now. I'm kind of excited to see the front. I haven't adjusted the front at all. I literally just out of the box put them on. It's what they're gonna look like. So, all right, let's go. I might be doing too much with putting this wood here, but just in case.
You look just like my insane, though. No, I'm not the type of guy that you
my god. Y'all, look at that camber too. Oh my god. There is barely clearance for anything. Yo, the focus. Front is definitely, oh my god. Yo. Oh my god. I am very stoked with how the front came out. This looks awesome. Gotta drive it now. Bro, I'm gonna scrape like crazy. I might want to put my under tray on. I've got like this, it's been on the car forever, obviously. It's already been through some abuse. Oh, shit. I should probably throw that on my car just so I don't bust my oil pan. Dude, this is sick. I'm so fucking, the rears are so weird. That's weird, man. The fronts look good. Damn. Oh shit. Okay, that's really on the ground now. Oh my god. That is too fucking low. That is too fuck. That's what that noise was. Here's my bumper mark. Oh fuck. Was that my bumper? That don't look like bumper. That is sick. Okay, so I just adjusted the coilovers to be a little bit higher up. Damn, do I gotta go higher? Oh. We're on the road. Okay, we're gonna do a Yui. Fuck! Oh my god. Oh fuck! Oh my god! What the fuck? Oh. Alright, well, after you guys just saw that, little test drive in front of my house, I'm gonna raise these a little bit, maybe half an inch. I want to keep the really slammed look, but I don't want to be not slammed, you know what I'm saying? So after adjusting them again for the third time, it is still too damn low. I'm like shoveling the driveway. It's kind of funny. I'm going to lower it, or no, fuck no. Dude, I'm too tired. I'm gonna lower, oh my god. I'm gonna lift the front up a little bit more. I've got this side up, I think it's like half an inch more. So I'm gonna lift this side up now. All right, getting kind of tired of this. I'm trying to go to bed now. See how it looks. Okay. I don't know if that's much better. It's like I almost gotta take it on a test drive and see if it's scraping or not. All right, it is future me, and instead of showing you the test drive of that night, I have pretty much lifted this thing about 7 times since then, not even joking. The car is at the point where it scrapes. It's got that cool factor, but I mean, it's like drivable. I think I'm still gonna have to lift the front just a little bit, but you know, good alternative for better fitment is bigger wheels. That ain't gonna be soon, but we'll get wheels. And as well as the rear, let me go to the good side. As well as the rear fitment, I'm definitely not gonna stick with these Racelands. The rear definitely needs a shoulder spring. That's what I've collected. But yeah, let's go take it on a drive real quick. I haven't put a latch in the trunk, by the way, yet, so that's still gonna bounce. Still gonna bounce around. So if we hit it hard and quick, it's fine. I'm not crying, by the way. I'm sweating my ass off. No AC. All right, back home, and yeah, I guess that's the end of the video pretty much. I mean, should you get Racelands? If you don't want to be super low to the ground and like slammed, like what I'm trying to do.